With its challenging weather conditions, Montenegro is the perfect testing ground for our next-generation eVTOL drones, and the FIXAR 025 has proven that it can meet the demands of some of the most challenging operational environments in the world with its Montenegro demonstration. During the event, we demonstrated the versatility and technological advancement of our eVTOLs, FIXAR 007 and FIXAR 025. The UAVs performed in a variety of scenarios, including automatic object tracking, manual control and GPS-denied flights, and high-altitude flights in the mountainous terrain of Montenegro. The demonstrations highlighted the FIXAR 025's multi-sensor operations, long-range flight capabilities, and ability to adapt to challenging weather conditions. All essential for ISR, delivery, mapping, aerial photography, LiDAR scanning, emergency response, multispectral imaging, and environmental monitoring. With its proprietary autopilot and closed-source X-ground control software, FIXAR is uniquely positioned to offer a variety of eVTOL aircraft to the market. This model is fully scalable, allowing us to produce UAVs with a variety of sizes, features, flight capabilities, and payload options. Using our own autopilot and software, we can develop multiple platforms tailored to meet a variety of operational needs. A prime example of this is our FIXAR 007 model, which offers a range of up to 60 kilometers, 37.3 miles, a payload of up to 2 kilograms, 4.4 pounds, and a flight time of up to 59 minutes. At the event, we introduced our new FIXAR 025 model, which offers a range of up to 300 kilometers, 186 miles, an extended flight time of up to 3.5 hours and a payload of up to 10 kilograms, 22 pounds, and the flexibility to support multiple payloads simultaneously. Looking ahead, we are conceptually developing the FIXAR 300, designed to achieve a flight range of up to 100 kilometers, 62 miles, and a payload capacity of up to 100 kilograms, 220 pounds, further emphasizing the push to the limits of UAV innovation.